Yesterday we looked at the expanded form of multiplication. The expanded form is extremely useful to be able to see what's happening in each place value as you add, subtract, or multiply. However, when you're in math class and you're trying to figure out what 32 times 4 is, it seems unlikely to me that you'll actually use the expanded form, so I want to make sure that you feel comfortable with the standard algorithm, the regular form of multiplication. Let me show you how to set this up. If you see a problem written horizontally, the long way, then you need to take the number with more digits and put it on top. 32 has 2 digits and 4 has 1 digit. So the longer number, 32, goes on top, and then I line up the 4 underneath the 1s. The second number that you write down is the thing that's in charge. This 4 is in charge. Throughout the entire problem, I'm going to ask myself, what's 4 times the numbers that are up on top? We multiply out 1s first, then 10s. 4 times 2 is 8. I'll write that down in the 1s place. Now I'm going to jump over to the 10s place. This is like saying what's 4 times 30. Or for us, we'll do what's 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Our answer is 128 because if we looked at the expanded form, we would see that 4 1s 2 times is 8, and 4 times 30 is 120. And when we combine our products, we would have 128. Put the longer number on top. And line up the second number underneath the correct place value. This is 8 1s, so it needs to be lined up in the 1s place. If you don't have your multiplication tables memorized, you gotta start practicing, guys. These will come much more quickly and will be much easier for you if you quick can say 8 times 8 is 64. In the number 64, I have a number in the 10s place and a number in the 1s place. The only thing I'm allowed to write down here is what's in the 1s place. 8 times 8 is 64. The 4 is in the 1s place, so that's what I'll write down. Then I need to regroup my 6 10s, my 60, and put that up here. The next step is to multiply 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40, and now I add how much I regrouped. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 6 is 46. Put the longer number on top. Seven times 5 is 35. In the number 35, the digit in the 1s place is a 5, so I write that down, and I regroup by 10s. I multiply 5 times 3, which is 15, and then I need to add in the number of 10s that I regrouped. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. Nine times 6, or 6 times 9, is 54. The number in the 1s place is the 4, so I write that down. And 50 is a group of 10, so I need to carry or regroup my 10s up here. 6 times 9 is 54. Write down your 1s, regroup your 10s. Multiply out. 6 times 4 is 24. Then add to it the 10s that we regrouped. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 5 is 29. Now it's your turn.